Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Polarsteps. First, open the Polarsteps app on your mobile device. Here, you will need to choose a Google account to sign in with. Select your preferred Google account to proceed. Once you've signed in, tap on Add Trip to begin creating your travel log. Now, you will need to select what kind of trip you want to add. You have options like I want to plan a future trip, I'm currently traveling, or I want to add a past trip. If you choose I want to plan a future trip, tap on Continue to move forward. Next, select the start date for your trip. This will be the date your trip begins. Then, you will need to enter the location. First, the app may ask for permission to access your location, so select Allow all the time. After that, choose the end date for your trip and enter your name for your trip to help identify it. Now, enter a summary of your trip. This could be a brief description of what you plan to do or where you will be going. Once you've entered all the necessary details, tap on Create Trip. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.